Go? Can you say go? Did you find a cow? Did you find your book with the cow? Can you get it? Do you need help? Grace and Key said go. Go. Did you just push the piggy? Oh, you found it. You found the book with the moo cow. Good job, baby. Moo. Can you push the cow? Push the cow, you can do it. Moo. Push. Push. Push.